Hi, I'm Mark Darby. I'm an improvement lead in wastewater here at Severn Trent. We're here at Trescott Sewage Treatment Works in Staffordshire. We're currently in the process of putting together one of our auxiliary tanks to help reduce spills to the local river. Getting to the point of installation of additional storm tanks on the site actually is quite a complex process. It starts with a site survey, understanding the opportunity for each site and what we might be able to do either in terms of installing additional tanks or put other opportunities to reduce spills on that site. Following the survey, there's a level of design required to understand what size tanks we might need and what opportunity that will give us to reduce spills and what space we've got and where we'll fit them. Things like underground services and other complications that we need to overcome in order to be able to complete the build. Next comes getting our team of engineers on site to complete groundworks ready for the tanks to be installed. Next comes the tank installation. We need to get the tanks erected, linings in and then connected up so they're available to use to capture storm flows at the next storm event. So storm tanks are just part of our opportunity to reduce spills from our assets. They do this because when we get high flows in wet weather and our overflows operate, they spill normally into current storm tanks. Adding more volume to those storm tanks means we can collect more storm water, which prevent that then discharging into the local river. Holding that, and then once flows subside coming into our sewage treatment works, we can return that flow to the inlet and treat it through the works so we get really good final effluent leaving site that's been fully treated and completely eliminate those storm spills.